So today, I'm gonna do slime pet peeves. So let's get it. When when people spread non-butter slime. When people play with their slime at the wrong spot. When people poke slime at the same spot. When people do hard breathing. When people stop for the thumbnail. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. If you liked it, like and subscribe, and tell me that you liked and subscribe. Let go, gang, peace out.